Hey YouTubers, this is Sammy. It's April 14th, 2016, and I think I'm seeing the beginning of the swarm. They're taking big, large circles now, and they're gathering on the front of the hive. The sound is not as loud as I would have thought. There's really a good pile of them on the front of the... Yeah, you can hear the hum of them now. I'm gonna get real close. You can see them moving in. Oh man, this is a great scene. There's 1,000 of them, and I'm right in the middle of the cloud right now. You can see there's a small beard of bees hanging from the bottom. Oh man, this is great. Got a good timing here. We'll move to the side. You can see them all over the front, over the cloud. I've been working over here this afternoon, kind of hoping I'd catch them when they started to swarm. You can see them all moving in. Oh, this is great. I'm going to back up so maybe you can get a sense of the ones around waiting to light. I'm not really sure how good that's going to show up on the camera, but they're making big circles. I don't think this is an unusually large swarm, unless a whole bunch of them moved in before I got out here, but it's a good start anyway. This is my first swarm of this season. This is, again, it's April 14th. And this is in Columbia, South Carolina. Hope I catch a couple more. I've got a frame of drawn comb, probably 2 frames of just plastic comb with wax, painted with wax, some lemongrass oil on the outside edge, and a little bit in the envelope on the inside. I gotta switch arms here. I'll just get tired. The majority of them have moved in now, and I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. It's almost 5 minutes now, but there we go. First swarm of the season.